What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. In this video, let me show you how you can create subdomain and GoDaddy. To do it, just go to your GoDaddy domain using forwarding. First, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your domain portfolio. Select the specific domain to which you want to add the subdomain. In the domain settings, locate and click on the DNS section. Under DNS management, find and click on forwarding. In the forwarding settings, locate the subdomain section and click add to create a new subdomain. Enter your desired subdomain name, such as tools, and in the destination URL field, paste the complete website address where you want to forward users. For instance, this one. And once done, click Save to activate the subdomain forwarding. Note that it may take up to an hour for the changes to propagate and your subdomain to become fully active. This method allows you to efficiently manage and direct traffic to different sections of your website under specific subdomains using GoDaddy's forwarding feature. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.